Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about FatTail trades, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy guys.
I just had a quick question, Ernie, about the fat tail trade. So I did my first fat tail trade today. I did two actually. I did on the SPX. It was a 7DT.
So you're doing the Sigma drift? So that's the
Yeah.
Sigma drift. Yeah.
Yep. So I did a 7DTE. It was a butterfly. I did a put side. I know it doesn't really matter, but I did it on the put just because based on the analysis that I did. Anyway, my point is, it was a paper trade, but the fills that I got were weird. I made sure that it was either within, the first one was 25 cents. So I was like, okay. When I heard the fill ring happen, I looked at the account statement or the activity in the positions, and the fill was a weird number. The credit was at negative 10 cents. And I'm like, okay, that's weird. So I closed it out, right? And then the credit came back at 10 cents positive. And I was like, that's weird. I'm not going to count that. So I'm going to do another one. So I did another one. I tried to fill it at like around 30 cents. And I was like, okay, that's not bad. So I heard it fill. I looked at the account statement. It said 0.00. And I was like, this is weird. So I'm just wondering, is this...
It was free, right?
Is this because am I seeing this weird stuff because it's paper trading, or is it because am I doing something wrong?
Yeah, because it's paper trading.
God damn it. Okay. Yeah, this has been my frequent issue, I feel like, is these unrealistic fills. And okay. So I feel like I really can't get the correct result here unless I'm So can I trade this on the XSP, or is it like with a $2,000 account, or is this recommended on the SPX?
Oh yeah,
okay.
Absolutely. You're never risking more than $25 to $50.
Exactly. And I was able to fill at the right, in my mind, what I thought was the right amount. But when I heard it just, these paper trades are like ridiculously stupid. They are just stupid. I think this is what's driving me crazy.
You want feedback, but it's not giving you realistic results so that you can get the feedback.
Exactly. So I think it's just, I just wanted to hear you confirm it. I'm like, I knew what it was. I had a feeling. I was like, I bet you this is paper trading results. And I had to ask you. So yeah, I'm definitely going to go ahead and go back to the real thing and see if I can get some realistic results, because this is paper trading fills are crazy. These are crazy.
Yeah. So that's why I would say that if you're paper trading, that's all good. And it really allows you to get down to understanding the platform and executing the trades and all that. But don't put any stock in the results. The results almost meaningless.
Like you said, it's just good for learning how to push the buttons. Other than that, nothing else.
Yeah, and if you want to advance and you're worried though about the size or the risk, then advance with the XSP or something super small.
Yeah, that's what I planned on doing. I wanted to do 1,000 or like at most 2,000, but at least 1,000 on the XSP starting off. I feel like that wouldn't be a bad start. That's like the bare minimum though. I feel like anything lower than that, I'll be messing up my risk with ruin.
And on the fat tail trades, you can go super wide. You can go 5 or 6 or 7 wide.
Okay, yeah, these were only 10 wide. Because when I typed into the AI, I was curious. I was like, does the width depend on how many DTEs it is? And it was like, yes, the 5 to 7 DTEs, you want to go like 10 to 15, and then so on and so forth. Is that correct? Yeah.
It's suggested 10 to 15 wide on the XSP?
No, on the SPX.
Oh, on the SPX. I would never go that narrow on the SPX.
You need to go
really?
wide.
Oh,
yeah, you need to go.
Okay.
Yeah, I would never go under 50 on the SPX.
Okay, so is that a bug within the system then? Because that's recommending me the wrong width.
Yeah, I'm going to fix that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good to know. So it is true that depending on the width depends on the many DTEs, but still the set 5 to 7 should not be 10 to 15 width. It should be 20 to what, would you say, the range?
I would start at 50.
Oh, start at 50. Okay, okay. That's good to know. Cool.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.